work on this computer. So share your screen.
Okay.
And I'm going to put the link for the calculator website in the chat. Where is the chat? Actually, yeah, go to the where it says calculator tools. I ain't got to do nothing. Click on that. Click on the Google slide. Yep. It's working, it's working, it's working. Go to the second page. See where it says click here to download the calculator app to your Chromebook? Yep, click on that.
Mm.
And the rest of you guys just watch at first, and after she does it, then you do it. Click on Add to Chrome.
Okay.
Okay. So now there's a launch app button, but don't click on that. Go down to the launcher in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, the little circle.
Wait. Oh.
Go, yeah, all the way to the bottom left of your screen. And now, and there it is. Click on that, open it up. And now you have a calculator. All right, now what I want you to do while you're here, click on that top left button that says Y equals. This is cool. And type X plus 2.
That? No.
X plus 2. And you probably got to click it. You probably can't type. Hit enter. And hit graph.
Oh, this is cool.
Isn't
Good
it?
job, Trinity.
Now,
that is dope, though.
Take a screenshot.
Oh, Jesus. I forgot how to do that. Wait.
I think it's, does anybody know? I got to put all those shortcuts in the tech tools and tech also. I think it's control and one of them brackets. Anybody know how to take a screenshot?
I don't know.
Oh, Jesus.
I thought somebody told us the other day from this class. Let me go find that email really quick. But that's it, Trinity. The rest of you guys try it. Don't try it, do it. There's no such word as try. Right. Go to the Google slide for today. Go to the second page. Click on where it says click here to download the TI-84 CE app for your Chromebook. Follow the instructions. When you get it, click on the Y equals, type in X plus 2, graph it, and take that screenshot. I'm going to shut up.
Yeah, it's control and then like a.
I got it. I think I just did it.
Okay.
I think. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You couldn't.
I did it.
Copy the clipboard. Now go back into Chrome to the assignment for today.
This?
Yep, and something is missing. Something looks like, hold on, wait a minute. Oh, there it is, boom. Which is down below.
Hey, you just sounded just like Kevin Hart, I swear.
No, I'm not the only one that heard that.
Hey. All right, now see where it says exercise 1 TI-84 screenshot? Click in that box and paste it. Hit Control V. Boom.
Oh, that was easy.
Yeah.
Let me put my name. And I'm supposed to turn this in?
No, not yet. We ain't finished.
Oh.
We got 2 more things to do. How much time we got? We got till 9:25. It's only 9:08. So if you go back to the Google slide, the next one is equate IO. Do what it says for that. Wait, let me see.
Wait, the Google slide.
I'm gonna.
Wait, how do I screenshot it again?
How you did the screenshot, Trinity?
You press Control and then you press it's like a Windows with 2 tabs at the top.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
I'm on some A-team junk. I love it when a plan comes together. I think me and Ms. McCarty were the only ones that got that. All right, so boom, that's the TI-84 joint. So when you've done that, just type in the chat, done.
I can stop sharing now.
You can stop sharing now.
Okay.
Selena, go to a new tab.
You see?
All I'm seeing is the calculator. Oh, go back to Chrome. Switch back to Chrome. Maybe that's what I don't know.
Hold on, wait.
You got to close that calculator. Close it.
Oh, I closed everything. Hold up.
Don't close anything.
Difficult. Okay, can you see it now?
Nope. All I see is the calculator still. Oh, you know why? You probably shared the calculator screen. Click on share, and when it comes up, select desktop.
You said like this. It won't let me press it. It only says cancel.
Press the picture and then press desktop.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, there you go.
All right. So now where it says search Google or type URL, type desmos.com. DESMOS.com.
You said what?
Desmos. DESMOS.com. Enter. I'm about to change y'all lives. Click on sign up. And agree, I've read. Click on sign up with Google. What did it, oh, okay. Things are changing too fast. Sign up with Google. I love it. I love it, Krish. I don't know about that. Y'all gonna learn all my crazy. All right, and click on graphing calculator. So over there on the side, where the cursor is flashing at, where it says 1, type y equals x minus 5.
Y equals what?
X minus 5. All right, boom. And now type, hit enter, I'm sorry. Go down to number 2, type y equals negative x I'm just making stuff up on the fly.
Y equals negative X.
Negative X plus 2. So now we got two lines that intersect. And if you see if you can click on where the blue line and the red line meet, and if it'll tell you the point of intersection. I didn't pick two very good equations. Yep, boom. So 3.5 comma negative 1.5 is the point of intersection. That's Desmos.
Yeah, this seemed like this would be better than the calculator.
It's much better, man. We can put variables in there and we could put sliders and change stuff and see what happens when we change stuff. That's why I'm like, y'all have got to let these kids use this.
Right.
So we're going to use this, but because you're going to take the test using the TI-84, we're going to use those also. We're going to backload with the TI-84, but I think we're going to do most of our work in Desmos. And you can save these. That's
Okay,
crazy.
so that's good.
Yeah, man. Like, y'all lives will never be the same. I am too excited right now. Thank you, Selena.